millions of student loan borrowers, the 3-year COVID payment pause was a lifeline, but it was also a period of confusion. The repayment resumption deadline was extended 6 times between 2020 and 2023, finally ending with a 1-year on-ramp period when student loan statements and interest accruement resumed. And for those who weren't ready to resume repayment this year, the 1-year on-ramp period gave them a cushion. Borrowers with multiple missed payments were automatically placed into forbearance, and missed payments weren't reported to credit agencies. For the 7.5 million borrowers in default, the on-ramp period also included the Fresh Start program, where defaulted borrowers were offered a one-time option to bring their loans into good standing. Yet it's unclear how well utilized Fresh Start actually was. It's estimated that half of student loan debt holders, about 20 million, are not making any student loan payments, including those in forbearance, income-driven repayment plans, and those delinquent or in default. Now, the on-ramp period ends September 30th. After that, missed payments can lead to damaged credit scores, wage garnishment, and tax refund withholding. Yet it's understandable why borrowers want to make their payments. The Biden-Harris administration continues to promise loan forgiveness, even though the courts continue to block them. The one-time forgiveness of up to $20,000 was blocked by the Supreme Court, and the SAVE plan, an IDR plan with more generous forgiveness options, is currently blocked and pending a Supreme Court decision. So if I'm a student loan borrower, even if there's a chance my loans will be forgiven, I'm not going to make any payments. We need to make it clear to borrowers that they need to repay their debt, otherwise we're headed for record high default rates.